Occasionally, the SAP system under test will be modified, upgraded, and sometimes migrated. This causes many problems for testing. The first problem would be analyzing the updates to find the risk areas that are created during and after migration. Of course, you can choose not to test, which is risky. However, when you want to test, it is also unrealistic and time-consuming to test everything, especially in projects with thousands of transactions. Up until now, impact analysis solutions are complex and don't give you good risk coverage. Now, with Tricentis LiveCompare, you can analyze the impact changes have on your SAP system much more easily and more thoroughly. By the end of this lesson, we will have an overview of Tricentis LiveCompare. Additionally, you will learn how to use Smart Insight to analyze coverage. Like we have shown in the video SAP Update Impact Analysis in our Platform Introduction course, Tricentis LiveCompare provides AI-powered impact analysis for SAP updates. With the help of LiveCompare, you can achieve up to 100% risk coverage while reducing testing time by up to 85%. Tricentis LiveCompare offers a lot of functionalities and has many pre-built apps such as the Smart Insight Dashboard or the Smart Impact app. In this lesson, we will look at the new Smart Insight dashboards, which are particularly useful. Smart Insight adds the dimension of time to LiveCompare Smart Impact Analysis. Now, every time you run Smart Impact, LiveCompare stores most at-risk objects, along with their test coverage status. That way, you can track how hits and gaps, which are the affected objects as well as missing tests, trend over time. Here's a monthly assessment of most at-risk objects. Hits are represented in green, gaps in blue. Tracking the trend of gaps should tend towards 0. In this example, we have the number of months since we started analyzing and the total number of gaps. We also see how many gaps are recorded in our latest month. This trend indicates that our test case coverage is growing and focused on the most at-risk objects. The other charts track gaps by SAP object types. They include transactions, Fiori web apps, and APIs. The last chart groups used objects in SAP by application area. Now you know how to use the Smart Insight dashboard to get a more comprehensive look at your SAP system under test.